Have you ever wondered, why do electrical plugs have holes? Yes? Then this video is for you. Let's get started. Have you looked at an electrical plug? You may have noticed that plugs have holes in them. These holes are not simply for decoration, they actually serve a practical purpose. Actually, the holes you see in plugs are used for gripping the plugs inside sockets. Historically, sockets had bumps inside of them. These bumps were intended to fit into the holes. Without these bumps and holes, it would have been very easy to simply pull the plug out of the socket. Having these holes and bumps allowed some resistance without making it impossible to unplug. Modern designs have largely deprecated the bumps inside sockets and instead use other factors such as friction or even the use of rods to keep sockets in place. But holes in electrical plugs also have other purposes. The holes help lessen the use of metal resources, as manufacturers do not need to use whole metal sheets when making plugs. Some electricians say that adding holes to the plugs makes it easier for the plugs to be connected to live wires if a socket is unavailable. However, the invention of holes in prongs is credited to Harvey Hubbell Jr., an inventor who tried to find a way to make plugs gripping into sockets easier. His solution was adding small indents inside the prongs, which would then make contact with bumps inside sockets. Eventually, the indents would be replaced by holes, although the basic idea remained the same. We hope you like our informative video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.